of Rwanda. SWAT team won. They've seen their colleagues do it in just over a minute. What are they going to do now? Here we go. Goodness me, that's not a sprint up the stairs, that's a leap. Were you counting? 4 steps at a time? Wow, like a gazelle. And a good shot as well by the sniper. And quick. 20, what did you make it? 25 seconds, I think, was approximately the time that we heard the first shot. We're closer to that magical 20-second mark. You know it's going to be very rapid. This looks good. This looks good by the Rwandan National Police. SWAT team 1. Oh, and they've got good support here as well as they sprint towards that line and across in 59.4. Team 1 from Rwanda. No issues across the ice bath. They make these obstacles look so easy. Big boys. Very tall indeed. They're almost like basketball players. So, first shot of the sniper. It's a hit. A very good first shot by the Rwandan sniper. Now, he can, there's a little bit less pressure for the sniper because his colleagues, his assaulting colleagues, they have to wait until he fires that first shot, so there's a little bit more pressure to get the first one cracked off. The judges all confer. And they can now carry that 120-kilo piece of rubber. Get that downed officer onto the zip line. Is there enough momentum? Should be. Oh, this looks good. This will be a good time as the Rwandans cross the finish line in 2:53.6.